If you guys remove a charge off from your credit reports, it can actually react in two different ways, because a charge off, it gave you age and you want your accounts to be old. So getting a charge off removed can actually drop your credit score, and it's going to be temporary a lot of time. You can see your credit score go back up as you get new accounts and they start reporting to the credit bureaus. But a lot of times you're going to see your credit score drop. But then too, if you got a lot of positive accounts already and then you got an old charge off on there, or you got a charge off that you probably just got, and it's all this account that you just got, you literally got the account and messed up on it. Usually when you remove that type of account, you can see your credit score go up. But a lot of times I tell people, with a charge off, you're going to see your credit score temporarily dip, and it doesn't have to be that much. Like I said too, it's the age. It's the age. You want your accounts to get old. You don't want charge offs. It's not like a collection. A collection is bad off top. Like, it's bad. A charge off was, hey, we were doing good. You gave me a credit limit, and I didn't pay it. You gave me 180 days to pay it. I didn't pay it. And now you sold it to a new company, or you just waiting to collect on it. I don't have a credit card anymore, but I messed up. That's what a charge off is. So when they see a charge off, it looks very bad, but at the same time too, it shows that you did want to have credit and you can see some type of history. So charge off is very different, and you want to try to keep your accounts active. You do not want to get to the charge off phase. And usually I tell people, depending on the charge off, you probably want to just get that charge off removed from your credit